Hello friends, I am Manish Sinha. Today we have to post this message for every country because the all country who suffered with the coronavirus. So I am very depressed. What happened to all people who doesn't have a food and the financial status? What you have to think कि how can it remove all the problems in our world. Today I think every person of the world that should be think about how we can cooperate to all the people. Today I want to share with you how we can remove this problem our world. This is very important for all of us if we have to see that the person who doesn't have a food and no financial status, so I do help to that all the people. This is very important to all the person. Today all the countries who suffer with the coronavirus, India, America, Pakistan, Australia, Britain, and all the country who suffered with the coronavirus. Because all the person, that is human nature, all expected how can we solve this problem. This is very important nowadays. We have to think about that. My message for all the people who living in other country and think about that. Today we have to see that the Italy, America, Britain, this is very surprising, friends. This is very bad. China, that is the country who doesn't accept that the coronavirus who create from the Wuhan. All country that should be think about that the coronavirus who is starting from the Wuhan. Today all the country, especially America and Australia, wants to know how to create the coronavirus from Wuhan, but now the China doesn't want to check in our country, so this is very bad for all the people. This time we face the coronavirus, and coming time as we have to see that the world war. I am very depressed because the country, all the country who think about that how to create the coronavirus. If all the country who wants to check and investigate it in the Wuhan, but the China doesn't want. China make the policy your own and communicate with the WHO, and he guide the WHO, and the WHO work in order to China. I think WHO, it is very important organization. If WHO aware these problems before the all countries, that should be managed, but it not do by the WHO. This is very unfortunate This is very bad for all the people and all the politicians who make our own profit, not see other people. This is very bad for common people. My message for the common people who make the united to other people, and all people comes to united, and this is the time where it is very difficult because the all the country that should be ready to fight with China. And today China is disturbed the all the small country with the India. Today China disturbed the LAC of India, who provide the soldiers to borders, who want to fight with the India and other Hong Kong and Australia, Japan and so on. This is the time how can we manage. Today the common people who is very innocent and think about that our duty of the common people who make all the people to leave all the political person. My message for the all common people who leave any country, my message for all the country, my message for all the people, my message for all the brother and sisters and friends also. This is very important. This is very important. Today I have to post this video in YouTube, and we want to fight with the coronavirus and as well as thinking of the politicians. Some politicians who doesn't want to like the common people, doesn't want to peace the common people, doesn't want to peace in our world. Our world is very beautiful, but the some persons who doesn't want to make good atmosphere in our world. So friends, my all best wishes to you, and try to keep a smile and take care. Wear mask and wash your hands with the sanitizer, and if any person who face the problems, the all the people who help that person who face the problems. So friends, I think you have to like my video. Please subscribe that video and share this video and comment this video. This is message for all the world, all the people. My next video is come tomorrow, so I want to share with you and connect my video, my channels, and thanks for all people who with me. So I try to make the good information to all the words. So I think bad politicians who come to the right way and leave the bad politics, and all the politicians think about that how can all the peoples be happy. This is very bad time this time in our world, and I want to try to join all the people with me and follow my rules. First, we have to help to other people and do financially status if you are strong. If not, how to gain the finance, make groups, and we fight all the problems. So thanks my friends, and I think you can understand my feelings. So be subscribe this channel. Thank you.